Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to rebrand your Shopify store, whether it's updating your logo, colors, or overall look. Let's transform your store's identity. First of all, you have to start by updating your branding elements. Now in Shopify, go to Online Store right here in the left sidebar and click on Themes. Once you click on Themes, click on the Customize button next to the three dots and next to your current theme. Click on Customize. Now, navigate to the header or branding section where you can upload a new logo. You can select where you want to upload it, but usually it's on the top of the page. Now, select an image. You can select image from the library or explore free images. It's built in Shopify. You can click on this one and choose any image you'd like. After that, you can adjust color settings in the theme settings tab to match your new brand colors. You can even modify your image. You can change the image overlay opacity. You can choose the banner height. You can choose many modifications. You can even choose the image behavior in the animation section, the mobile layouts even, and that's it. Now update the text on your store. To do that, go to each product or collection page and edit the description, title, and any branded text. Like here, I'll select any text and I'll modify it in the left side. You can modify it and write wherever you want. Whatever. You can update your About page and other key pages with new messaging that aligns with your branding. Finally, review your changes. To do so, check each page for consistency and preview your store on mobile and desktop. You can do that by going to the top right and switching between desktop view or mobile view. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now rebranded with a fresh look. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have further more questions. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.